Hey, everybody. This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I've got a treat for you. It's a new brand to us here at RV Nation. We picked them up about 5-6 weeks ago, and I have been dying to make a YouTube tour of one of these. I just think this camper is absolutely amazing. These things are beautiful on the inside. This one is the 2022 Yukon 421FL, and this thing is absolutely massive. They are on a wide body frame, so you get 100 inches of width, and this thing just has the wow factor when you walk in. I love the bathroom setup the way that it is. There's a ton of storage from here all the way through that you'll see on the outside portion of this tour. But today I'm going to take you on probably about 10 to 15 minutes on the inside, then a couple moments here on the outside. And if you guys like RV videos or find these helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. And my contact information will be in the description. But again, the 2022 Yukon 421FL. This is a front living camper. And this thing has got it going on for sure. It's 15 degrees outside, so I let this thing warm up with that fireplace. This camper actually has 2 fireplaces, one here in the front living and one in the bedroom. And it's doing surprisingly well. I am not dying, I'm not freezing. So let's go ahead and start up here in the front. First off, the decor is absolutely beautiful. It's using that darker wood tone, which I really personally enjoy. I think the flooring looks absolutely beautiful. There's also a ton of space up here, in this camper with that wide body. Again, 100 inches of width, from wall to wall, which is always nice. You have your 40-inch Furrion fireplace, which, like I said, 15 degrees outside. And I'm just running this heat and the one in the bedroom. And it's feeling all right in here. You got storage all around this absolutely massive TV. It looks like about a 50-inch. You also have your iRV Technologies sound system. So you have zone 1 and 2 that's inside outside. It's going to feature, your USB and your HDMI to get some music bumping. Show you some of here, the storage. This is going to be the same on this side as it is on that side. But man, we picked these things up. I'm loving them. We have a ton of them in stock. We got this. We got a rear kitchen model, which is absolutely wonderful. And I think, a rear den, which I haven't personally been in yet. But you got opposing slides up here. This will pull out to make a bed. It meets up in the middle with this one. So both of these will make a bed. You also have, windows up front, which is pretty typical for your front living setup. Both sides feature the emergency windows. So you just latch, push out, and you guys can get out, just in case that there is an emergency. As far as the decor is concerned, give you a little up-close shot of that. I think it's looking nice. And they also use, some actual wood. You can hear that. It's a really nice, solid, clean look. Thomas Paine recliners. So these are going to be powered. So right there is going to be your controls for that. Recline, extend. And if you can see, there is a little USB port so you can charge your devices. You also got a couple cup holders. You have some additional storage right there. One neat thing about the Yukon, which is, none of the other brands that I carry can say this, but it has a straight line roof, meaning it's going to be the same height all the way, across. So you're going to have a ton of headspace up in the bedroom, which is nice, and it's lacking in a lot of different fifth wheels. So right here as you walk in the door, you got all of your different slide outs, your awnings, your interior lights, all your different heated tanks, which is always nice to have. And you have this dimmer for, so if you dim that down, it's just a little dimmer switch, which is always nice to have something else a little bit fancy. Here in the kitchen, nice, tall, high ceilings. You also have the accent lighting there up above with the residential style, finish to the lights right there. It's an island kitchen setup. So with that, you have your stainless steel bowls. And you have your residential high-rise faucet. Looking fancy, looking sharp. You got some accent lighting here underneath, which just adds to it a bit. I'm getting a little tongue-tied today. Pull-out garbage can, plenty of storage, and some access to your plumbing. You're also going to have 3 of these trays for storage, so 1, 2, and 3. Right here, you kind of have like a little coffee bar set up, again, with the accent lighting there underneath. But you got plenty of counter space, all of it solid surface. A couple outlets right here. This is going to be your Dometic control for your heat and your AC. 2 of those bad boys. And then you got some storage here underneath. You have this countertop right here as well, and then there is going to be an area, you know, for a wine rack. All right, so we come along. We're still inside this kitchen. Obviously, we're still inside the kitchen, but you have your oven. This is going to be the Insignia. This is the industry's largest oven. I mean, look how much space you got in that bad boy. You can quite literally cook a turkey in there. You also have your 4 stovetop burners. Your high point microwave. Storage up above. And if you guys aren't in the market, or if you're interested in pricing, my cell phone number will be in there. Feel free to text me. I'd love to help you guys. Let's get off this little safety knob here. You got the Samsung refrigerator. So this thing is absolutely massive. We haven't put the shelves together yet, but you get the idea. It is a very, very big refrigerator. In the freezer, and then up above the refrigerator, got some storage there. You also have a fan, kind of suck out and get some of the air circulating a little bit. And then what's also pretty neat about this floor plan is it does feature this massive pantry. Across the way, I mean, check out the height on the slide, and that is part of that roof height where it really comes into play. So I am 6 feet tall. I'm standing here. I mean, I'd put that at least at about 7 feet, I would say. You also get these oversized windows, which is nice. You know, imagine you're sitting out on a lake. You know, you just have a great view while you're sitting down, having some breakfast, playing some cards, you know, just enjoying some time. Camper is definitely something, you know, for that full-time life as well. All right, so you got tons of storage. And then down there is going to be more of the same. And over here, again, is more of the same. So you have plenty of storage here in this kitchen for you. And this is where things get interesting for me. The Yukon, when I first walked into it, the bathroom is just so nice. You got a little natural light going on, as you can see. But check out that shower. I mean, this shower is unmatched. It is absolutely beautiful. You have a little stool there that you can, you know, sit down, a little bench seating. Feels like a shower that would belong in your home. You got another closet just across the way. Or you can take those shelves out and use it as a, you know, for some hanging items. Or it is plumbed for a washer and dryer, and then you have the outlets, you know, as well. You have a couple sink, some outlets there in the middle. You got storage all the way up and above. And again, check out that accent lighting. I just think this camper would look so nice, you know, at night with everything turned off. You got all that ambient lighting, which is nice. So this is going to be the same on both sides, access to your plumbing and a little bit of storage. You have 4 of these right here. And then right in here, you got the bathroom. Again, you got yourself a fan, you got yourself a little window. Head into the bathroom or into the bedroom, and this is just wow. Again, look at all the head height. You know, I'm 6 feet tall, so if you were 6'4", you know, you're still standing in there, you know, no problem at all. You got some outlets and USBs. You also have some lights that you can click on and off along with some shelves. Your controls are going to be right here, and you have 2 windows. Underneath, you got plenty of storage. There is that second fireplace. Again, I cannot stress enough, it is 15 degrees outside, and I am standing in this camper not miserable. Matter of fact, in this Carhartt jacket, it is getting rather toasty, to be quite honest with you. Two of these. One right there and one right here. And up above, nice lit up extra storage container for you. And then you have this absolutely massive dresser to come with it. Nice little hanging closet. 9 of these bad boys. And see how that accent lighting comes into play there. That's nice and lit up. It's pretty neat. So this Yukon is impressing me for sure. Their rear kitchen one. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to YouTube it yet. I did put it on Instagram. If you guys like, 45-second videos of all these RVs, you can definitely check me out on Instagram, the RV Hunter. So this right here, it comes with a couple little nets. It's for a little laundry hamper. But that about wraps it up for the inside tour. Again, this was the 2022 Yukon 421FL. I definitely think this is a brand that is going to sell an absolute ton of campers for us. I mean, just look at that right there. Absolutely beautiful. And if you guys made it this far, if you guys could hit that like and subscribe button for me, I'd appreciate it. And now we'll do the outside portion of the tour. Whew. It is chilly. All right. So you have the 2 awnings. Little pass-through storage right here, showing off the aluminum construction. Solid entry steps. Awning 1 and 2, and this is where things get absolutely awesome. 1, if you'll see that is 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. The smaller ones have the electric auto, so in this one, since it is a little bit larger, you do get the hydraulic, but look at how much storage is up and underneath this thing. 1, it's all lit up, but I mean, wow. This is going to be your more ride, little slide tray. It's a fully walkable roof, so you got access with a ladder. Right here, it is prepped for an observation camera. If you'd like to put one of those on, you're looking at about a $550 upcharge. Definitely really handy. You get a 4-inch screen, suction cups right onto your windshield, and you're driving a little bit easier. You can also put slide toppers on 4 of these slides, 1, 2, 3, and then on the front slide is eligible. Those will run you $700 a piece, but they're nice just to kind of keep the debris off the top, stop any problems for leaking. But that about wraps up this tour here for me. Again, this was the 2022 Yukon 421FL. My name is Hunter. Hope you guys have a nice day. See ya.